This is an exam review worksheet for semester 2 science grade 6. Question 1. Ali Rai, can you read question 1 please?
The second link.
What is that question? Indicate
the true sentence
statements
and correct the false one.
Okay, A.
The second link in the food chain is a
Carnivore. What's a carnivore, Ali Rai? Do you remember?
Carnivore is the animal that eat plants and.
No. If it eats plants, it should be a herbivore. If it eats other animals, meat. Very good. Second thing, I'll give you an example. Let's say we have grass, we have rabbit, and we have a fox.
And fox.
The second link, this is the second link. The second link here is what, Ya Ali Rai?
The second link is herbivores.
It's a rabbit, it's a herbivore. So statement A is true or false?
False.
It's false. So remember, please, in a food chain, this will be a second link. The first link is grass, it's usually a producer. Second link is always a herbivore. So this one is false. Yes, Linda, what do you want?
It shouldn't be only herbivores, it can be omnivore.
Yeah, very good. It can be a omnivore. But like I said many times, it depends on the given. This given is showing me that, let's say, the rabbit is feeding on grass. So we cannot assume that maybe this rabbit can feed on other animals and so on, so it's a omnivore. No, stick to the given. If the given is showing only grass, it's feeding on grass, so it should be a herbivore. So in a food chain, it will show you that it's feeding on grass, so it will be a herbivore. So the second link is herbivore. Okay, good. Hamad Hassan, B.
The central nervous system consists of brain and nerves.
Remember, you have central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of what?
The central nervous system consists of brain, nerves, and spinal cord.
No, the CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. The nerves is for the peripheral nervous system. Okay? So, we divided the nervous system into two parts, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system are the nerves, or the sensory nerves and the motor nerves. Clear for everyone? Rama, C.
The white blood cells are responsible for body defense. True.
True. So the white blood cell, the immune cell, are responsible for the body defense or the immunity. Tala, last one, D.
The muscular tissue of the heart is responsible for its contraction.
Contraction like movement. Okay, the muscles of the heart are responsible for the movement of the heart when it contracts. True or false? True. Muscles are for movement. Contraction is the movement of the heart. So this one should be true.
True.
Okay, any questions on the first one? Question 1?
No.
Good. Question 2, Linda.
Mass in 2 columns. Kidneys, large intestine, long skin. Release of carbon dioxide, excretion of sweat, indigested food, excretion of urine.
Kidneys, they should be what?
Excretion of urine.
Yes, so the kidneys, they release a waste product called the urine. Large intestine, yeah, Linda.
Indigested food.
Good. Undigested food is eliminated through the large intestine. Lungs.
Lungs releases of carbon dioxide.
Very good. Okay, the last one, skin, is the excretion of sweat. Okay, very good. Question 3, I will read the text first, then you can answer the questions. Read the text below, then answer the questions. Unicellular organisms are made of one cell. Examples of unicellular organisms are the paramecium and the amoeba. Unicellular organisms live without other cells to help them. Many of these organisms need to eat, move, respire, and sense their environment. Multicellular organisms are made from many cells. They are complex organisms. This can be a small number of cells or millions of cells. all plants and animals are multicellular organisms. So this text is introducing the concept of the unicellular and multicellular organisms. Allah, give the names of the two types of living organisms mentioned in the above text. He mentioned two types of living organisms. No. Two types in general. Okay? Plants and animals are examples of one type. What are the two types? He's talking about two types. Paragraph 1 is talking about the first type. Paragraph 2 is talking about the other type. Paramecium and amoeba are examples of the first type. Examples. I need the type. Yes, this is it. Unicellular and multicellular. Okay, the text is talking about the unicellular and multicellular organisms. These are the two types of living organisms. This was the last chapter. We classified living organisms into two types. Unicellular, they have one cell only. Multicellular, many cells. So, multicellular and unicellular. Hamad Isa B. Hamad Ali.
What are the two examples of unicellular living organisms?
Yes.
Paramecium and amoeba.
Very good. He gave us the text. He gave us two examples. The first line, examples of unicellular organisms are the paramecium and the amoeba. So, paramecium and amoeba. Very good, Muhammad. Oday, C.
Give one difference between unicellular and multicellular.
Cellular. So, what is the difference between unicellular and multicellular? Unicellular, one cell or more than one cell, Oday? Unicellular, one cell. Multicellular, one or more than one? More than one. So this is the difference in the number of cells. Unicellular, one cell. Multicellular, many cells. Okay. So unicellular, one cell. Multicellular, many cells. Sajid, D.
Are plant unicellular or multicellular? Unicellular.
Very good. It's mentioned in the last line. All plants and animals are multicellular. So, all plants are multicellular. Okay? Yes, Linda.
Then it said unicellular.
No, multicellular. He said multicellular. It's multicellular. Anyway, it's multicellular, right, Sajid? Multicellular?
Yes.
Okay, multicellular. Abbas, question 4. Can you read, please?
When you walk on an iron nail, you immediately remove your leg. Is this action voluntary or involuntary?
It's involuntary. It's a reflex, okay? If you step on an iron nail, you immediately remove your iron nail. It's a protective method. So this is a reflex or involuntary. Right. B.
Which organ of the central nerve system is
Involved.
involved in this action?
Is it the brain or the spinal cord?
The brain.
No.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord is responsible for the involuntary actions. Okay, we discussed this in the chapter about the nervous system. So it's the spinal cord. Hamad Hassan, C.
Indicates a pathway of the nervous message into
Yeah, how it moves. If you remember, you put arrows like eyes, arrow, sensory nerve, arrow, brain, arrow. This is the pathway, how it starts. I'll give the first one, it's the skin of the leg, of the foot. So we have skin of the foot, then what? Which type of nerve, sensory or motor? It goes? No, after the sensory organ, skin is the sensory organ. After the sensory organ, you should have what? Sensory nerve. So it goes to the sensory nerve. Wait, Ali, please. Then, where to, ya Muhammad? Brain or spinal cord?
spinal
Spinal cord. Since a reflex, there should be a spinal cord, okay? Then what, ya Muhammad? No. Which type of nerve now? Now the message should go to the foot, to the muscles of the foot, so we remove it. But what type of nerves will deliver the message from the spinal cord to the foot? Motor nerve. Last one. No. Muscles of the foot. So muscles of foot. Okay? I know you forgot this. This is the general pathway for the messages. The pathway will only change the name of the sensory organ and the effector organ. Okay, it's almost the same pathway. تقريبا هي ذاتها. D, the Rama.
Classify the following actions as voluntary or involuntary. Pushing a box, voluntary.
Very good. Walking. لا Rama.
Voluntary.
Okay. Blinking. Involuntary. Removing your hand from hot object. Involuntary. When you put your hand on a hot object, you immediately remove it without thinking about it. So it's involuntary. Last one, Rama, writing. Voluntary. Very good. Linda, question 5.
The figures below show the reduction in hydra and bacteria.
Yes, number 1.
What is the mode of reproduction in both figures?
Sexual or asexual? Okay. Tala, 2.
Which figure presents binary fission and which one represents budding?
الهايدرا binary fission or budding يا Tala?
Budding.
Yes. The second one should be what?
Binary fission.
Okay, bacterium is binary fission. Remember, these are the two types we discussed with asexual reproduction.
Yes.
We had budding and fission. Budding for hydra. Fission it also can be for paramecium, not only for bacteria. Good, Tala. Hamad Ali, question 5. Label the following figure. This is the structure of the urinary system. Urinary system. The A is what, ya Muhammad? Kidney. Good. B. Is it ureter, bladder, or urethra? Which one? Ureter, bladder, or urethra?
Bladder.
No.
Ureter.
It's ureter. C. Muhammad.
Bladder.
Bladder. Last one. D.
Urea.
Urethra.
Urethra.
Okay.